And just like that, the deadly coronavirus has been declared a pandemic.
The number of affected countries has tripled. There are now more than 118,000 cases in 114 countries, and 4,291 people have lost their lives.
The WHO attributing their declaration to its alarming spread and severity. Back home, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe was appearing before the Joint Health Committee Wednesday afternoon, summoned here to shed light on the state of preparedness for the deadly coronavirus. And here, Kagwe briefed on the state of preparedness in the counties, ordering that all relevant measures be put in place by this Sunday. Earlier in the day, the COG had outlined the measures that it is putting in place in the counties.
We are allowed at least 2% of your budget to be set out for emergency cases. And that's what is now available for all counties to access.
And on the matter of the Kenyans stuck in Wuhan,
they have now completed 60 days without seeing their relatives, without getting out from the dormitories. They are so stressed.
The CS dashing any hopes of these Kenyans coming home soon, in spite of having indicated plans to do so last week.
Sent additional money. Last week we sent additional money, some 10 million shillings to support them. And therefore, as I say, between ourselves, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Transport, we are every day meeting to look at this situation and say, what is a new aspect? What is it that we can do now that we probably did not consider doing yesterday?
Kagwe also said they are working to acquire data of all doctors, whether practicing or retired, urging the doctors to register with the Director of Medical Services in case of any future emergencies. So far, 122,289 people have been infected, with 4,389 others having lost their lives, while 67,000 others have fully recovered from the virus. Ben Kirira, K24, Evening Edition.